Most nurse practitioner students don't fail because of content. They fail because of stress. Here's how to study smarter and protect your sanity. First, understand where your stress is coming from. Most nurse practitioner candidates feel overwhelmed because of overloaded schedules, fear of failure, pressure to balance work and family, information overload, and lack of a structured plan. Recognizing this is step one. Now, let's fix it. A stress-proof plan is not about studying more. It's about studying smart. Start by estimating your real weekly availability. Audit your work schedule, family commitments, clinical duties, and appointments. Then, plug study sessions into open pockets of time, instead of forcing unrealistic 4-hour blocks. Next, set SMART goals. Instead of saying study cardiology, say complete 50 cardiology questions, or review respiratory disorders for 40 minutes. Specific goals reduce overwhelm and increase motivation because progress becomes visible. A balanced weekly template might look like 3 weekday sessions of 45 to 60 minutes, 1 longer weekend session, and 1 short QBank session. Consistency beats cramming every time. Now let's talk high-impact study methods. Use active recall. Question banks and quizzes force your brain to retrieve information. That strengthens memory far more than passive reading. Use spaced repetition. Review complex topics every few days. Cycle older material weekly. This locks information into long-term memory. Try mind mapping for heavy topics like endocrine disorders or cardiac murmurs, and use the teach-back method. If you can explain it clearly, you understand it. Managing work, life, and studying requires strategy. Communicate your schedule to your support system. Use micro-study sessions. 10 minutes at lunch, 15 before bed. Batch light review tasks with daily activities like commuting or meal prep. But here's what many people forget. Rest is not optional. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Take screen-free breaks. A burned-out brain absorbs nothing. Support your body. Practice deep breathing, like the 4-7-8 method. Move your body for 20 to 30 minutes. Stay hydrated. Eat brain-fueling snacks. Your physical health directly affects exam performance. Another major stress trigger is not knowing what to study. Structured resources remove that uncertainty. Blueprint-based bundles, QBanks with detailed rationales, review courses, and exam day strategy guides keep you organized and confident. Build a support network, study groups, online communities, mentorship. You do not have to do this alone. As your exam approaches, create a 7-day high-yield review plan. The night before, pack your ID, plan your route, sleep well, and avoid new topics. On exam morning, light breakfast, 10 minutes of breathing, no cramming. Confidence comes from calm, not chaos. Let me know in the comments. I want to know what's holding you back. Are you currently struggling more with time management, stress, or knowing what to study? If you're serious about reducing stress and studying smarter, visit shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com for structured NP board prep bundles, QBanks, and review courses designed specifically for busy working professionals. Everything is blueprint-based, so you know exactly what to focus on.